Hello viewers, welcome to HMSDESK. What is a hip replacement surgery? Hip replacement is the removal and replacement of portions of the pelvis and femur, thighbone, that form your hip joint. It is performed primarily to relieve hip pain and stiffness caused by hip arthritis. Hip replacement is highly successful surgery in which portions of the hip joint are replaced with prostheses, implants. During hip replacement, a surgeon removes the damaged sections of your hip joint and replaces them with parts usually constructed of metal, ceramic and very hard plastic. This artificial joint, prosthesis, helps reduce pain and improve function. It is also called total hip arthroplasty. Hip replacement surgery might be an option for you if your hip pain interferes with daily activities and non-surgical treatments haven't helped or are no longer effective. Arthritis damage is the most common reason to need hip replacement. How do you know if you need a hip replacement? If you have these arthritis symptoms, you should consider a hip replacement. Severe hip pain that is not relieved by medication and that interferes with your work, sleep or everyday activity. Hip stiffness that restricts motion and makes it difficult to walk. Types of hip replacement surgery: total hip replacement, most common; partial hip replacement; hip resurfacing. Is a hip replacement a major operation? Total hip replacement surgery is a major surgery, and there are some potential risks that should be discussed with your doctor. Although the success rate for this procedure is high, common risks include blood clots in the leg and pelvis. Get details about hip replacement causes, types of treatment, risks, diagnosis, preparation, procedure, recovery, facts, best hospitals and surgeons at HMSDESK.com. Hip replacement surgery cost in India. The expenses including for the entire travel for hip replacement surgery in India are very less compared to Western countries. The average hip replacement surgery range from $5,000 to $10,000 and depend on the hospital facilities. Why? From HMSDESK.com. HMSDESK is trusted medical tourism company and a complete healthcare facilitator based in India. HMSDESK an associate partner with the best orthopedic surgeon and hospitals, which are providing world-class treatment at an affordable cost. India has emerged as a hub of highly skilled medical fraternity and internationally trained, experienced, and competent doctors. HMSDESK helps international as well as Indian patients to get treatment from the best doctors and hospitals. We make your medical travel easy, convenient, and cheaper without sacrificing the quality of services. Who will take care of all the functions? HMSDESK will help and take care with the arrangement of medical visas, to and fro airport service, accommodation, an appointment with the surgeon, lab tests, etc. Along with specialist consultations, clinical investigations and consultations at short notice. HMSDESK provide end-to-end services such as takes care of medical facilities and planning a vacation in India, rejuvenation, rehab facilities. Plan hip replacement surgery with HMSDESK. Email support@hmsdesk.com. Visit website hmsdesk.com.